So, I've got a 2002 SVT Cobra. They came with amber taillights and I absolutely hate them. Now, I know that these amber taillights in the US go for about $1,000, but I don't care. I hate the amber look. So today, I'm gonna tint them black. Now, this is what I'm going to use. It's from CJ Pony Parts. I'll leave a link in the description below, but essentially these are just some adhesive stickers. So don't lose your minds. If I ever wanna get these back to stock, to original, I can just peel them off. Well, that's the plan anyway. So today, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this real quick because how hard can it be? Let's go. Besides the adhesive stickers, you're going to need a heat gun or a hairdryer. You're going to need some microfiber towels. You're going to need one of these vinyl sticker putty on-y thingies. What are these called? No idea. And you're going to need some soapy water. Now, first things first, clean this thing really well. Get all the dust and dirt off of it. Get into all the nooks and crannies. There we go, beautiful. Grab your adhesive stickers. Find the matching stickers, so in my case these are these. Wet this really well. And same thing with the adhesive sticker. Get it nice and wet and find its natural place. Now don't be too worried about getting this dead on the first time round, because check this out, you can slide these and position these just the way they're supposed to sit. So what you got to do now is squeeze out all the bubbles, but also you got to lie these flat. So as you can see, this is where your heat gun's going to come in play, because as straight as you've got these, you're going to run into some problems with corners. Heat gun, get your squeegee. You're going to need a little paper towel or a microfiber towel. And what you want to do is wrap your plastic squeegee into it so that you don't damage the film, you don't scratch the film. So just go around and get these as flat as you possibly can. And for me, that's right about there. And now, got to use some heat. Now, if you develop little creases like this, the best thing to do is to get this wet again and heat it back up. There we go. And it will lie flat. All the little bubbles will come out. So what I'm finding is you have to go really slowly and just come back and readdress areas that aren't perfect, and take my time. Take your time. I think if you overdo it, you can ruin this film. Okay, that was interesting. Here is what you're going to experience if you do decide to do this. So first of all, the color difference is better. It's definitely darker, which is what I'm after. I can still see some of the amber coming through, but it's not so in your face, which I kind of like. Now you are going to encounter quite a lot of wrinkles and bubbles, and you're going to have to play with the heat gun quite a bit to get those out. You're also going to get quite a few little bubble residues left over. Now, I'm told that those will disappear in a couple of days when the soapy water underneath the film evaporates. So just keep an eye on that. But the name of the game here is to go slowly by the looks of things. The result is okay. It's a little bit dull. These definitely look like they're a lot shinier than this plastic film. I would have liked the plastic film to be a little bit more reflective, shinier, but it's not too bad. I'm going to see how this develops over the next few days. And hey, if it's no good, peel it off. But it's looking okay. The cut is pretty spot on. It's not too bad. This corner here tapers in a little bit, but it's all right. It's not very noticeable at all. All right, I'm gonna do the other two. So you tell me, is it better? Comment below, let me know what you think. And I'm quickly gonna do the other side too. There we go, all done. So, what do you think? Is this better? Or have I just made my Mustang a little bit more mullet instead of Mustang? The jury's out for me, to be honest. I'm not 100% sold on them just yet, but good thing I can take them off. I don't know, maybe it'll grow on me. At this point, I kind of have to get used to it, I think. But in any case, that's how you install tinted film on your taillights. And this applies to any car, not just this Mustang, obviously. All you need to do is order a roll of tinted film and cut it to size, and you could basically do any taillight, not just this O2 Cobra. So I hope this was helpful for you, and if it was, make sure you click that like button and hit the sub button as well if you want to see other projects that you could do at home in your own garage, much like I did today. Speaking about other projects, if you want to see other videos on this O2 Cobra, then check out those videos. And if you want to check out other DIY videos that you can do at home in your garage, then head over there. But in any case, thanks for hanging around this long. I appreciate it. Enough chit chat from me. If you found this helpful, go ahead and try this on your car, and I'll see you next time. Bye.